Day 6 of building the apartment. First I cleaned the place where I will put the mixed sand. Then I bought 100 kilos of construction steel. And the blocks was not enough, so I bought another 350 blocks and took them up. This is the final result. I'll wait for it to dry so the builder can continue building. Total cost $240. I didn't expect this stage to cost me all of this. Subscribe to see more.